saying that they still don't know where he is. And so I know that his agent is there and they are trying their best to find him. So I trust that he will bring me, obviously.
Abusianfo I awawosema yeguso eti ene se onse Christian Atsu enche bia na yeni na ya betete se e wo Turkey abonten so no enan ebubu na eba Christian Atsu baby bia ne ne manager ete after se wakobobo na ebre so a Christian Atsu ne bobo hata expo yi na che se Ebda o share ni go the next day yankote asempa edaya o team on ne manager etim ni na no edwiri edi egu fom na ono kra e wo the 9th floor na nkofo akasa yatini nua eba ene she saying say or having nightmares ontumi ndane ade ebre bi bae ka so ye Christian Atsu bibi ebia o baby o ho no nso asaba abete amaya abete say Christian Atsu no ye hu ne ye hu baby o still na the under the rebels and opo ya betim message say yawo machine no ye de hwe se aha nipa wa ha ampa so ye de akohwe ye hu se nipa dida baby ene ade eno nti ena nkofo ede o manu atutu nsem kase o sebi o manu tinsu na so o Christian Atsu se ne akoye de we freem se ne akoye de otumi nya nkwa wan ne betuma share dan bi ase for the past 3 days ne ade na ayawe hosem because Ghana for say Christian Atsu de nkofo depend on so ejanye Christian Atsu per as per se but player bia kuma mo fine no too free Ghana na okwa broche ye adwuma kan wo say enipa depend on so no de na do so papa na we ena ne yere a one no ete a one na wo mamienu e de aba abontin a e friend ye bisa ne say how is the feeling like so eba me kunu on sense we dey ampa mate say ye say ye hu no mete ye na makoma tom ye but esaba ye say ye hu na de offer management ye nka nche ne hwe ye hu no enu nti se ne man kura beti bibi kura e ya na agi radio ana TV ne de media no so beti so they say na daddy akoyo say ni say ama adiareho abeto omoso and they are hoping say ye be discover Christian Atsu ebia hopefully na obey alive because ne ma no esusua ebusuafo ye nkotie ensem a Christian Atsu ne wife and ne yere ekan.
Rupio. Claire, thank you so much for talking to us, and I'm so sorry that you're having to go through this. It's unimaginable, the not knowing. What information have you been told? Do you know anything?
Well, all I know is that currently his agent is in Turkey and he's trying to get to the place where it happened, and we know that his building has been, well, they know where the building is and they're trying their best to rescue everybody. And they know that there are people still under the rubble, but the problem is that they don't have the equipment necessary to get them out. So yeah, so he's still missing and we don't know where he is. Yeah.
And that's just an unimaginable feeling for you to have to wake up with every day and live with at the moment.
Yeah, especially for my children as well. So yeah.
I'm so sorry. The job of trying to get information out and his whereabouts is extremely difficult, as I'm sure anyone can appreciate, given these circumstances. Do you have any hope that the information that will reach you is something that you will be able to trust? Because part of the problem is here, so many people don't know what's going on.
Well, yeah. So it was quite, shocking, as you can imagine, if the club is confirming, saying that he has been found and alive and taken to hospital. And 11 hours later, my children had to hear it from the radio, saying that they still don't know where he is. And so I know that his agent is there and they are trying their best to find him. So I trust that he will bring me, obviously, the news that I can trust. that, if he sees him or speaks to him. So, but it's quite confusing, everything. Yeah.
And can you just remind us where he was and why he was there and the connection to the area?
Well, he plays for Xposed. He signed a 1-year contract. And he had a very good game on Sunday, and he scored his first goal. And so, yeah. And he has been living with his teammates as well, which has already been rescued. So, yeah, that's all I can tell them.
And can you tell us when you last had contact with him?
He spoke to the children last time on Saturday morning. Yeah, that was the last time that I've heard from him.
And then I can't imagine the moment that you heard that the earthquake had first struck. That is something that no one should have to go through. Yeah. I had a lot of missed calls on my phone from his sister. And then she just told me, and and then I read the news. So yeah. And have you got any any messages for the rescuers out there, the authorities out there, those working so hard to try and find people?
Well, all I can say is that for me, I know the rescuers are trying their best, hardworking day and night to rescue everybody, and I just feel for everybody who has, like me and my children, been in the unknown, not knowing if the family is alive or not. And I would just appeal for the Hatay Sport Club and the Turkish authorities and the British government to send out the equipment to get the people out that are still trapped in the rubble, especially for my partner and the father of my children as well. Because they need the equipment to get them out. They can't get that deep without the equipment. So, and the time is running. So, yeah. Yeah,
the time is running out, but of course we have still seen dramatic rescues. People are still being pulled from the rubble. Does that give you some hope?
A bit, yeah. I still pray and believe that he's alive.
Ayana Christian Atsu asem no asa wo de wa dream ban wa na wo yema hyew kakra because me hwe messages nam social media post of ni ade a e wo mo na wo se enyoma bebre na trend e ya se ne kan no time waits for no man, and human being we are the time we wait for no man. Also for the past few days Christian Atsu asem ba journalists want to can be atiasa asada Ghana for na raise issues no social media na kan obi ani ade. But whenever I go to the social media, no be making comment about me are we trying to say is this trying to be like the Castro's issue? Because April 4 days obi betuma she dan say without and you fast na Christian so you sa ade na boni nan so kura. Like, come on. Akumatie oshew. Because we are fasting kra na 2 days mu fie kra na e dry fasting kra na we ya. Just say na tie. Na edwan ye dwiri gu so say oshew say frama be fa o. Come on. We don't want to think for bad, but let's wish for the best. But they be edru there aya e dicey. Na wa utie ensem afiri oba yi anu a. Obusuafo abekasa. Ninua be kasa enya rewo se ne yiri a wo kasa onim se me kunu ye adwuma e de abehwe fie ahwe ne ma Christian Atsu nim se wa wo ma eja uni footballer bia wo ba de baba ko be footballer e ma ne so abebobo amadachi bi Madrid bi ehunu no de tu ne ho se ne banie obe free mu eja ne ba ana torrente we ne ba beto no asefem na ye hobi se Ghana nyankopon tumi o wa asase yiso bebe bia Christian Atsu bia owu onyane no ko bi be se onyankopon ka se ubewu a unwu soso da cause na me hwe o social media me hu se abofra ya wo ne 20 days e was a story building na collapse ye no 3 days ni afi ene ene ehu no ɔno nkra te ase na Christian Atsu a wanyi oh mesrɛ obenya nkwa ɛwɔ Yesu dim na ha ɛna mede mu ɛbɛsi nkaebɔ na also share comment na kyerɛ wadwen na sɛ na yɛbɛsɛ hyia makram bye bye